of my window, and the rain is pouring down. When you left, I was so low, but I'm not gonna drown. I don't need no shoulder, I'm gonna be a soldier. I just wanna feel something I don't understand. I'm just gonna run right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain. I just wanna feel that rhythm, feel that.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Let my heart speak louder than my head, 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 head. Heart beat louder than my head, 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 head. Heart speak louder, wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head. I'm overthinking of how to get you back.
Happy birthday, Nak. Sana lumaki kang mabait, matalino, at sana magtupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo at maging successful ka sa buhay.
Soldier, I just wanna feel something I don't understand. I'm just gonna run right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain. I just wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head, 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 head. Heart beat louder than my head. Heart speak louder, wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head. Letting go, yeah, it feels so good, so right. Oh, all I know is that I let my heart speak louder than my heartbeat. Heart speak louder than my heartbeat. Heart speak louder than my louder. I'm just gonna run right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain. I just wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head. Heart beat louder than my head. Heart speak louder, wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head.
Lagi mo lang tatandaan na nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. We're always here to support you and to guide you in every step of your way. I love you. Take good care of yourself.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be.
I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place.
Happy birthday, Jemima. Lagi ka mag-pray, tsaka mag-aaral mabuti. Good luck sa lahat ng gagawin mo.
Could I see your stage? I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Jeremy Paul Abadilla! Once again, please give it up to Mr. Jeremy Paul Abadilla Jr. Muli, palakpakan muna ng Mr. Jeremy Paul Abadilla Jr. And next, please welcome Miss Janela Isabel Abadilla.
Monica in my ride, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita, all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of.
And next, the proud and loving parents of our debutants. So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy Paul Sr. and Maria Perpetua Badilla.
Says she,
our debutant. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is a celebration and a thanksgiving of a life God has given to her. So invite everyone to please stand up. Muli, tayo po tayong lahat as we welcome the main highlights of this celebration. And ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the beautiful and the gorgeous Jemima!
Mapagpala ng Diyos, aming Ama, na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang araw na pinagkaloob niyo po sa amin. Lalo't higit kay Jemima, as she turns 18, salamat po sa biyaya ng buhay na inyo pong patuloy na pinagkakaloob. Kasama po ng kanyang pamilya at dalangin po namin sa mga sandali pong ito. Punuin niyo po ang kanyang puso ng kagalakan, ng kapayapaan na nagmumula po sa inyo. At sa pagkakataon din pong ito, Panginoon, kasama po ng kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, as we celebrate yung pong kanya pong birthday, kami rin po ay makadama ng peace and comfort mula po sa inyo. Ingatan niyo po kaming lahat at dinadalangin po namin ang kabuuan ng programang ito ay maging matagumpay para sa iyo pong kapurihan. At Panginoon, kasama rin po at lakip ng aming mga panalangin, gamitin niyo po ang inyong lingkod na maging daluyan ng inyo pong pagpapala. Banalin po ninyo ang aking tinig, ang aking mga kamay, as I pronounce yung pong blessing po ninyo para kay Jemima. Paliwanagin ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at mahabag sa iyo. Ilingap nawa ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at patuloy kang kahabagan. Sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Napaka-special ng gabing ito para sa iyo. Alam mo bang, we prepared a surprise flash mob. So gagayahin niyo po kaming lahat. And everyone,
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
shake!
Girl, she's here, you can take a break.
Kusok the sun!
Hot air balloon that could go to space. Like I don't care, baby, by the way.
And let's go all the cars and go come along here.
If you feel like a room without clap along if you feel like happiness.
One more clap.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news talking this and that.
Sabay!
Give me all you got, don't hold it back.
And sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Let's clap our hands, everyone!
Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.
Come on, guys, clap your hands!
Friends to you, don't waste your
And
time.
of course, for our debutant, let's party! Party!
Clap along if you feel. Clap along if you feel.
Lumabas, masaya, party, party!
Clap along if you know.
And for the last time, party, party, bring us up ang hiyawan! Maraming salamat po. You may now take your seat, friends and relatives.
Ano po, na-excite po na na-overwhelm.
Alright, thank you so much. Muli, palakpakan po natin our lovely debutant, Jemima, and Jemima this time for your forever most handsome most loving and overprotective man of your life, none other than your father, Mr. Mac Abadilla. And of course, TikTok dance challenge! Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan!
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Alright, thank you so much muli. Let's give a big hand to Mr. Mac Abadilla. And next, let's also give her... Alright, ang mga Renaissance! Ready? One more time! Alright, thank you so much. At ito na ang pagmalakasang sayaw ni Dan Santa Maria. Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan! Alright, thank you so much, Bini Angela.
Don't you sweat it, baby.
Palakpa ka naman dyan!
Also sleepless in the onyx night, but now the sky is alright.
Alright, thank you so much.
Cadeas, poposuras.
Oh, naman sa gabi naman! Oh!
Wow!
Yahoo!
shout. It's your boy, Hey, baller. Baller.
Pesado and next at ang pangmalakas ang TikTok ni DJ Del Mundo.
Wow.
All right, thank you so much. And the TikTok dance challenge.
Tell me something I can feel.
Wow.
Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
All right, thank you so much. And of course, ito na rin ang pagmalakas ang TikTok Dance Challenge from Justin De Leon. All right, thank you so much. And the TikTok Dance Challenge.
Wow.
Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan. And then, and the TikTok Dance Challenge, Bunny.
My milkshake brings
Yours, I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to.
All right, thank you so much, Bunny. Gentlemen.
Just know that I'ma be under the mistletoe. Yeah. Shawty with you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe.
All right, and next please give it up to Mr. RJ Corpus.
But you've been so out of touch.
Wala po kayo mga kain dyan.
Much, much, much of the love I can give. You've been so out of touch. You could have no love, but you've been so out of touch. Touch, 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 touch. That about you ain't too much, 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 much. Yeah, you wanna mess it up, cause you've been so out of touch. You could have had my love, but you've been so out of touch.
All right, and next please give it up to Mr. Taneo Abadilia. All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, we bang like this. So let's go to bang, bang, bang.
Wow, wala po kayong mga kamay dyan.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
All right, thank you so much. Please welcome Mr. JP Abadilia. Again, Mr. JP Abadilia. Wala pa ka naman dyan. All right, and last but not the least, please give it up to Mr. Shiloh Reyes.
Wow.
once upon a power 8. Kaya ko po kayo pinagstay and group into 4 because according to our debutant, kayo daw yung mga macho guapito sa buhay ni Jemima. And dahil dyan, sa inyo po manggagaling ang ating first challenge. And our first challenge is called Jumbo Hotdog Dance Challenge. So guys, listen, meron tayong dalawang version ng Jumbo Hotdog. Na TikTok version yung ginagawa ng mga Gen Z, gumagano'n. Lower! Lower pa!
Baka may makala, walang mawawala. Kapag nagtsatsaga, kung gusto mo, sundan
And count up! In 1, 2, 3, go!
Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba?
One more!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba?
Alright, thank you so much. Lower! Lower pa!
Sige, subukan mo, baka may makala. Walang mawawala.
Lower boys!
Kapag nagtsatsaga, kung gusto mo,
And count up! In 1, 2, 3, go!
kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo
One more time!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba to?
Thank you so much. Sino muna tayo, boys? Wala po na. Lower!
Ang mahihiya. Baka may makala. Walang mawawala. Nagtsatsaga. Kung gusto mo. Sundan
And
mo lang.
count up! In 1, 2, 3, go!
Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo
One
ba
more
to?
time!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba to?
Thank you so much. Sino muna tayo? Lower!
Huwag kang mahihiya. Sige, subukan mo.
Lower pa!
May makala. Walang mawawala. Pag nagtsatsaga, kung gusto mo.
And count up! In 1, 2, 3, go!
Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo
One more time!
Jumbo kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami
Alright, thank you so much. Wait lang, stay kayong dalawa dyan. Usod muna ng konti. Stay kayong dalawa dyan. Then, step forward. Dito ka. Dito ka sa unahan. Step forward. Then, may nakita pa ako dito. Isa pa. Si sir. Step forward. Dito ka, sir. Then, the rest, you may now take your seat. The rest, you may now take your seat. Kayong apat, stay. One more time.
walang mawawala. Nagtsatsaga, kung gusto mo.
And count up. In 1, 2, 3, go.
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo
One more time.
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba?
Alright, thank you so much. Akit po sa stage. Picture mo na, please. Picture mo na together with Wait lang, wala pa. Okay. Hello po. Hello. Happy 18th birthday, Jemima. I just want to say I'm really glad to be, have you as a friend. And you're such a happy person to be around. Always wholesome and genuine. Oh, love you too. Every time na magkikita tayo for practice, automatic good vibes and ubos yung social battery ko sa'yo. Idodrop ko dito. And my wish for you is to keep shining and stay true to who you are. I hope your journey to adulthood brings humor, laughter, love, and success. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Oo ba? Parang noon lang lagi akong hinahatak ni Kuya Mac para mag-sleep over tayo or magbatanes, di ba? Kailan kaya ulit tayo lalabas? Pero ayun, always know na andito lang ako for you. Pwede mo akong chat. Kuya Mac ko, may susumbong ako sa'yo. Hindi pala, joke lang. Sa atin lang yun, di ba? Yan. Basta, pag kailangan mo ng ate, andito lang ako parate for you. Kahit na tita mo ako. Ayun. Ayun lang. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mai. Happy legality.
I'm happy na naging isa ako na big part sa buhay mo. Wish ko lang is maging happy ka sa family, love, and career. Yun lang.
Birthday Ate Mai, sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at matupad ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Love you.
Thank you so much, Johanna. Santa Maria next, Miss Princess.
Happy 18th birthday, Jemima. I'm really honored to be here with you. Not only as your cousin, but as your friend. Ever since we were young, and I used to ask you to draw My Little Ponies. Kahit wala naman akong alam dun. Until now, I can't believe that you're now 18. I wish that you can continue to grow healthy and strong. May your big dreams come true. As well as the things you manifest. Like you stated, you don't shut up. You grow up. I hope you have a good birthday, Jemima.
Happy birthday, Jemima. I would not take it long, but I wish you have a good health and be the brightest star in every people's life. Always remember that every circumstances in your life that you will face, always choose to be strong and be the sweetest, like your cookies. Because we're always here for you to lean on. Again, happy legality, Jemima.
Happy birthday to you. And grabe, I remember when we first met, sobrang gaan ng I just knew that very moment, magiging friends tayo. And our friendship continued online at naging best friends tayo. And I'm just very grateful that I got to experience your care and love as my bestie. And sana naman matuloy yung mga pinano nating kakainan at pupuntahan in the near future. Wag naman sana maging drawing. So yeah, my message to you is, as you enter adulthood, grabe, suffer, dalaga ka na nga. I hope that you continue to walk with God as your light and guide. And I pray that God, the Lord, will continue to bless you with wisdom, strength, and joy in life. I love you, girl. You know that. Always remember that I'm always here for you. And yeah, happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hormones. Happy birthday, babe. Happy birthday, Mai. Naalala ko pa nung grade 3 ako noon. Parang tanga. Naiyak. Yun lang, happy birthday. Hindi, naalala ko lang nung dati, nung bata ako na, ano ba yun? Yung parang, ayun, parang pinapakiramdaman lang kita sa tiyan ng mami mo dati, tapos ngayon malaki ka na. Lupa, parang naiyak. Tapos, ayun, gusto lang kita welcome sa pagiging adult mo. Ayun, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na, naginis ako. Sabi, alam ko yung buhay hindi magiging madali. Pero, I just wanted you to know na nandito kami, family mo, tapos, na kahit anong mangyari, I will always be proud of you. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Jemima. Know that I'm always here for you. And alam mo naman, di ba, bata pa lang tayo, laging open yung house namin. And lalo na kung gusto mo mag-sleep over, ayan, tawagin mo lang yung mga matching. And ayun, God bless.
Happy birthday, Be. Grabe ang bilis ng panahon, te. Parang lalakad lang tayo dun sa St. Rose. Uy, wag ganyan, be. Ngayon, you're officially 18 na, be. Mature na, guro na. You're still the same fun and kind person I've always known. Mahal na mahal kita. My wish for you is simple. Sana lahat ng dreams mo matupad at that you never lose the light that makes you who you are. Keep shining, keep smiling, and never forget your roots. Lalo na yung mga memories natin sa Sintra. Cheers to more adventures in love and success ahead. I'm so proud of the person you've become. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Mai. So, on this special day, I wish you nothing but happiness, love, and all the blessing in the world. May this year bring you exciting opportunities, wonderful experiences, and memorable moments. Sana matry mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mong itry kapag gusto mong gumala. So, cheers to adulthood. So, 18 na tayo lahat, SCP. So, pwede na tayong gumala. Charot. So, and all the adventures coming your way. So, sana mapag-bake mo ulit kami ng cookies mo. Happy birthday, Mike.
Happiest 18th birthday, Jemima, even though we don't get to talk much. I'm really grateful for your thoughtfulness and the quiet kindness you show. You've always had such genuine heart, and I truly admire that about you. I hope this new chapter of your life brings you happiness, peace, and endless blessings. May you always find reasons to smile, chase your dreams with confidence. Ikaw yun eh, confidence king. And surround yourself with people who make you feel loved. You deserve every beautiful thing that comes your way. Never doubt that.
Pero bago yun, kailangan ko i-hype up mo na yung audience. When I say hep hep, you say hooray. Siyempre, when I say hooray, you say hep hep. Hep hep! Isa pa, malakas! Hooray! Yahoo! Isa pa, hep hep! At ayun na nga, hep hep to the happy 18th birthday, Jemima.
Wow!
Ayun. So ito na nga, minsan lang ako pagpalain na makasama sa lista ng mga traditions. So ito na, binigay na sa akin doble-doble pa. Hinahanap ko yung kandila ko, ito na nga. Ayun. So una sa lahat, hindi lang pala to isa, maraming pa pala. Una sa lahat, ang gusto kong sabihin is, thank you for being our friend, mas lalo na sa circle of friends natin. Pangalawa, we're so proud of you. Alam ko hindi lang kami, pati na rin yung family mo, yung mother and father mo, and yung partner mo, si Shiloh, syempre. Wow. And then lastly, syempre, si Papa God. So, ayun. Third, ang gusto kong sabihin is, gusto kong mag-thank you kasi may Jemima ako sa buhay ko. Napaka-fashionista and coquette, and at the same time, dadamayan ka sa problems mo, sa mga chikahan, at sa mga kung ano mang trip mo, babe, sasabuyan ka niyan. And naaalala ko na nagchichikahan tayo, babe, sa patio. And then, ayun, tapos nagtitiktok tayo, and ayun. So here I have is my gift. Yan. Hulaan mo na lang kung ilan yan, be, sa loob. Tapos, I know na kung gaano mo kamahal yung plushie. So, isa na rin yan sa mga gifts ko. So, I hope this gift will symbolize the affection and comfort na binigay mo sa amin when we were at our lowest. And then, isa na rin sa gifts ko is very practical gift. And alam kong recently may nasira kang gamit. So baka pwede mo siyang gamitin. And I hope na this gift will symbolize my wish for you na maging success ka, maging financially independent, and sa wealth mo. So, to end my message, I wish for you na maging rich. Not financially rich, but also rich in memories, in genuine love, in memories, and experience, at saka na rin peace. Ayun, happy birthday, be!
Thank you so much, parang dati lang nagsisip over tayo, tapos naipit ka sa kortina. Tapos, happy birthday! I'm very glad to witness you grow into a fine woman. And I really hope ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And see you sa Manila. Sana makapag-intramuros tayo. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Jemima. Sorry, kinakabahan ako. Wala akong kakilala dito eh. Okay, seryoso. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really glad to be a part of your birthday. Kahit nakalimutan kitang invite sa akin. Okay. Okay, first of all, I just want to say na you're really a nice person. And yung first meet natin is, ayun, napaka talaga ng close. You're a very kind person and I'm really glad na naging friend kita nung grade 10 kasi alam mo naman yung school natin. And thank you for bringing light into my world nung junior high school. And you're really one of the closest friends I truly value. My wish for you is that God continues to guide you, protect you, and give you all the blessings that you need. And sana, don't forget na nandito lang ako palagi and your family is, happy family! Halatang ako eh. Sana you always follow your dreams kahit nakakaurat yung school mo. And stay strong. Sa'yo ng jowa mo. Enjoy your day and may your future be bright. Ayun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much.
Ayun. So, happy 18th birthday, Jemima. Today we celebrate you, an incredible person inside and out. You've grown into such a confident, talented, and kind young woman. Your passion for makeup is just one of the many ways you express your artistry. You have such a gift for bringing out beauty in everything and everyone around you. And your love for baking, every treat you make is filled with love. So as you step into this exciting new chapter of adulthood, may you continue to shine, create, and inspire. Keep chasing your dreams, believing in yourself, and spreading joy wherever you go. Again, happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mayuma! Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay good health, good grades, good relationship sa iyong family, sa friends mo, and syempre sa boyfriend mo. Thank you kasi we still stay in touch kahit malayo na ako sa inyo. I'm so happy kasi nag-uusap-usap at nag-bonding pa rin tayo. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Ang saya lang kasi magkakasama-sama ulit tayo nila Kirsten. Kahit na busy tayo sa kanya-kanya nating ginagawa, mga responsibilidad natin, yet pinapanatili pa rin natin yung buhay ng pagkakaibigan natin, yung spark. That's all. If you need anything else, if mayroon ka, you can tell us naman. Makikinig kami. We won't judge you. Happy birthday! Thank you!
Thank you so much, Miss Nika. Right? Naging host. So, ang kaganda ng mga sinabi nila. Parang wala akong na-prepare. Pero, ang ilalaban ko, maging impromptu ako. So, ayan. Una sa lahat, wish muna. Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay makuha mo lahat ng bagay na gusto mo, lahat ng magkaroon ka ng maraming opportunity dahil alam ko every time nagchat-chat tayo, B, gusto ko ng ganyan, B, gusto ko ng ganyan. Sana makuha mo yung mga ganun. At pangalawa ay I may not be your like hindi ako ang mabilis mong matawagan na friend, no? I know that naman since we're college na and sobrang busy na rin ng life. Pero ang promise ko sa iyo, I will always include you in my prayers. And itong regalo ko sa iyo,
since lagi tayong nag-uukay at lagi tayong alam kong very fashionable ka, fashion girly. So, it's something related sa fashion. And syempre, ang favorite bread mo, kababayan, ang favorite bread mo every time na nauwi tayo galing sa school. At yun lang, wag kang mag-give up, no? Kapag mahirap na ang pagsubok dahil 18 years old na rin tayo. At kahapon na sabi ko kay Jemima, sabi ko, Bri, 18 ka na, parang naiiyak ako. Ang over kakasol. So, parang kasi yung mother ko, pag nagre-reunion sila, sinasabi niya, anak, ganito kayo ni Jemima paglaki. So, para bang sabi ko, 18 na si Jemima, parang malapit na kami doon, na malayo pa. Diba? So, oo, parang naiiyak lang ako, pero hindi ako makaiyak, may eyeshadow ako today. Churot. So, ayun, yun. At thankful ako, since grade 6, hanggang ngayon, mag-friend tayo. Marami pa, sana more chikas, more ukay, more gala. At naalala ko rin yung mga moment na may mga crushes tayo noon. Shylock, grade 6 lang yun Ang mga crushes natin ng grade 6 na yun, yung boyfriend. Pero, ayun, wag kang mag-give up sa life kasi sabi nga nila, never back down, never what? Ang tugon? Ayan, never give up. Yun lang, always pray, every day, happy birthday, ano pa, every way. Okay, yun lang, happy birthday.
Years
yung macho guwapido ng Cavite, Jordan De La Paz.
Your love is a You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. My only prayer that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes.
The world will turn and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have a beauty our shared size, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes.
And the past you will show that you will always glow beautiful in my eyes. When the love on my face
Upon my face,
from a lifetime of smiles. When I come to embrace for a long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies. We'll say goodbye, 'cause true love never dies. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes.
beautiful in my eyes.
And the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. The passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes.
Jordan. Palakpakan niyo na si Jordan. Magaling na sumaya, magaling na kumanta. Tapos I'd like to greet my happy birthday. Oo. Makikigreet lang ako, bakit ba? Ayan, nagtumba na tuloy. Ay! Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I'll feel the glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. You're so lovely with your smile so warm and your cheek so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you just the way you look tonight. Each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my feelings
magkaiba. Mundo natin ay iisa, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kakayapaan. Oh, ang sarap ng manila, kapayapaan. Ano daw na? Kapayapaan. Pwede kayo sumabay, saka sumagot ha. Hindi po siya pag-get. Sila lang ha. Pwede tayo lahat ha. Pwede rin kayo sumayo, pwede tayo. Ayun, magaling sumayo yun, no? Ayun. Atras, sasagot na kayo, lakas nyo, ha? Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghintay sa ng langit. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghintay sa ng langit. Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan, di nga nakagay, kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Sa Mabalacat mayroong kapre, may tabakong sindi-sindi, sa sinag ng bilog ng buwan, nagbibilad na nakabitili. Lakas na naman ang buwan, ilabas na ang kalokohan. Huwag mo nang pipigilan pa, ang toyo nyo'y lalabas din lamang. Pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan, meron lamang isang lalaki, matondo siya ng ay mabili. Pero pagbilog ang buwan, siya'y nagtatamit babae. Bilog na naman ang buwan, ilabas nyo na ang kalokohan. Huwag nyo na pipigilan pa, ang toyo nyo'y lalabas din lamang. Pabilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan. Happy birthday! Grabe, Miguel. May kasya pa? Bilog na naman ang buwan, ilabas na ang kalokohan. Huwag na pipigilan pa, ang toyo nyo'y lalabas din lamang. Pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan, ako ara na lamang, umaawit lang parang bolang. Ganyan ako pagbilog ng buwan, los at nagbubuwag. Bilog na naman ang buwan, ilabas na ang kalokohan. Huwag na pipigilan pa, ang toyo'y lalabas din lamang. Pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan, pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan, pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan, pagbilog na bilog na bilog na naman ang buwan. Ay, taas po ang kamay na may alam kung kailan ang exact birthday ng ating debutant. Letter A, November 8, B, November 9, or C, November 10. A, B, or C. November 9 is correct! And mamaya kailangan ko ng representative, isang representative para mag-claim ng green prize. Ng choices.
Hey, St. Brendan, syempre.
Kala pala alam na alam. Wala pa yung pagpipilian. Nakataas na yung kamay. Kasi siya pala yung teacher. St. Brendan Learning Center is correct! Let it go is correct! And mamaya niyo po makikita yung prizes. Ay, may request si Matcha Latte is correct! magdala ng pulbos. Pulbos! Oh, powder. S naman, letter S. Kung kanina po, yung powder sa girls natin usually nakikita, ngayon naman yung S sa boys. Boys, take note! Nasa bandang gitnang bahagi ng mga boys. Tagalog na Tagalog! Pauna magdala ng susi. Susi! Susi! Susi, ayun. Ayun, congratulations. Nahubo na lahat ng sinturon. Alright, and next. Gusto ko si Sir talaga pinipilit me. Starts with the letter S po ulit. S, ito sure ako kung ano po yung nasa isip ninyo. Tama to kasi lahat po tayo ay ginagamit ito. Nag-iisa lang to. At ang letter S na to ay ginagamit nating lahat para ayusin ang ating mga buhok. Paunahan! Magdala sa unahan ng salamin. Salamin or compact mirror. Compact mirror. Congratulations. And last, bring me. Wala na po itong first letter clue. Wala na siyang first letter clue dahil nasa kamay. Kamay lang natin tong lahat at ginagamit natin ito para tingnan ang oras at hindi tayo malate sa ating pupuntahan. Pauna magdala ng cellphone. Alright, thank you so much. Then, yung mga winners po, dito na tayo sa unahan. Forward na namin muna. Congratulations! Napakaswerte mo tonight dahil ikaw ang nanalo ng relaxation package! At pwede kang magpamasahe sa pinakamamahaling spa dito sa Las Piñas. Congratulations! Dahil ikaw ang mag-uwi ng relaxation package na intense ba to? Congratulations! Ikaw mag-uwi na! Kasama and Salopas! Congratulations! And next, whitening product. Congratulations sa sobrang effective nito dahil isang gamitan pa lang. Sure na sure ako puting-puti agad dahil ikaw mag-uwi ng whitening product na ikaw ang nanalo ng whitening product na Sunrocks! Meron pa naman yung totoo whitening product. Alright. Thank you so much. Next, ito ka muna. Congratulations sa amin, teacher. Wait na ako. Medical health and insurance package. True Life ata to. Galing sa True Life. Congratulations. Dahil ikaw ang nanalo ng medical or health insurance package. Ikaw ang mag-uwi ng ikaw ang nanalo ng health and insurance package na alcohol and Band-Aid. May isa ba yan? May Band-Aid ba? Congratulations. Next, teacher, dito ka muna, teacher. Dahil ikaw ubusan talaga ng learnings na araw-araw pa rin nag-aaral. So, congratulations. Kahit graduate na, aral pa rin ng aral. Congratulations, ikaw ang nanalo ng Educational Plan Package. Wow! Ang isang set ng papel at notebook. Meron pa po yan at ballpen. Back to school. Alright, thank you so much. Brand new PC. Magagamit mo to. Nag-aaral, tama? Nag-aaral ka ba? Magagamit mo to sa school online class. Congratulations! Ikaw ang mag-uwi ng brand new PC. Ang brand new Pansit Canton! Favorite, kompleto pa yung flavor niya. Ito pa, meron pa ditong calamansi flavor. Congratulations. Next, step forward. Dental care package. Ipakita mo na ang napadalunan na ikaw ang mag-uwi ng dental care package na grocery package para matutuwa sila mami mo nito dahil ikaw mag-uwi ng grocery package na! Congratulations! Ikaw ang nanalo ng grocery package na! Bigas! Ano yung kasama ng bigas? Bigas at delata. So, pag napunta po kayo sa mga hotel, sa Manila Hotel, meron po kayong voucher breakfast for two. So, congratulations! For two lang ha. Ikaw ang nanalo ng breakfast for two. Pang-social po ito, pang Manila Hotel. Ha? Pancake at chaparado. O, di ba pang-social? At meron pa yung Quaker Oats. Congratulations! Next! Nanalo ng trip to South. Trip to South Korea dahil ikaw ang mag-uwi ng trip to South Korea na! Korean noodles! Congratulations! Alright, ikaw po ang mag-uwi ng Christmas package. Sakto, magdi-December na, malapit na Christmas. Dahil ikaw ang nanalo ng Christmas package na! Ang dami nang uhulas, spaghetti ata yun. Fruit cocktail today, fruit cocktail at Nestle Cream. Congratulations. Muli, palakpakan po natin. Isa-isa po muna, si teacher po muna.
Siyempre, sa tamang paggamit ng pera, prioritize natin. Siyempre, ang una, needs. Kung kailangan lang talaga, then it's the time to spend your money. Pero kung hindi, maybe you can save it first and then pag dumating yung pangangailangan, meron kang madudukot. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Next po.
Proxy lang po ako sa ate ko, nasa Davao kasi. Yung pag sabi, spend it wisely na lang yung bigay ni Tepao. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Ako dapat burahin niya na ang Shopee at saka Lazada. Iwasan ang add to cart. Kasi pag hinahatid ko siya nung high school siya, laging sinasabi ng mama niya, meron ka na namang parcel. Kaya dapat burahin na ang mga apps. Yun lang.
Siyempre, una sa lahat, kailangan intindihin mo rin na kailangan makapag-save ka kahit na konti doon sa kung ano yung meron ka. Diba? At i-enjoy mo dahil yung pera na ibibigay sa iyo, blessing yon. Kaya ibigay mo rin yung kung ano yung dapat ibibigay mo sa Panginoon.
Ang lahat ng nag-wish sa'yo, sana matupad lahat yon. Ngayon, yung mga perang bibigay sa'yo, spend mo wisely. Yun lang talagang kailangan mo. Kasi blessing yan sa'yo ni Lord. Happy birthday, Mai. Love you.
Advice, pag-spend ng money, wow, parang ang hirap. Siguro, wala akong masabi. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano mag-spend ng basta enjoy mo lang kung ano yung gusto mo today, wag mo na pagpabukas. I-check out mo na yan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mai. Enjoy mo lang yung pera na naipon mo ngayong birthday mo. Marami ka ng pambiling milk tea. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello.
Una sa lahat, happy birthday, Maymay. Nasabi na kasi nila na yung mga dapat mong gawin sa pera mo na ibibigay namin. So, yung sa akin, basta pang milk tea mo to, pang matcha, gano'n na, pang check out mo sa Shopee, okay? Dahil ako yung bestie mo, itong ibibigay din namin sa'yo. Sinabi na lahat ng mga granny ang dapat mong gawin. Ito pang ukay. Ukay body ko kasi siya eh.
Simple lang. Para sa ba ang pera?
Panggastos.
Panggastos.
Yes.
Pero, dapat gagamitin mo sa pakinabang at kung saan ka magiging masaya. Happy birthday.
My happy birthday. Sabi nga ni Tito Tantin, ibigay mo daw sa kanya para maging masaya daw siya. Okay, ito may hindi namin ibibigay ito sa'yo. Diretso ito kay Mama. Yun. Para at least, pag may gusto kang bilhin, kunin mo sa kanya. Okay? Akin na yun,
Hindi. Bato.
Diretso na natin noon. Bakit?
Happy birthday, Jemima. No? Hindi ko ibibigay ito kay mami at daddy mo. Ang dami kong nakain eh. Pag nakita nila to, isipin nila, talong-talo pa sila sa akin. Diretso ko na sa yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, May. Sabi ko lang, copy-paste na lang lahat ng sinabi nila. Wala na, doon nila, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mai. Bahala ka na daw sa pera mo. Malaki ka na. Enjoy mo na yun.
Ako naman, kung anong makakasiya sa iyo, yun ang gawin mo. Dahil birthday mo eh. So, you must be happy.
Happy birthday, Mai. Pang McDo lang to eh. Mahilig ka naman sa McDo.
Happy birthday, Mai. Sama mo ako pag ginastos mo yan, ha? Happy birthday, Mai. Sundin mo lang yung lahat ng sinabi nila. Okay na yun.
Dahil may mga partners na po kayo, bibigyan ko kayo ng numbers. Tatandaan niyo po lahat ng numbers na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Tandaan niyo po yung mga numbers na yan. Usa ng konti po. Dahil once natawagin ko po ang inyong mga number, please step forward. Dito tayo sa unahan. And whether you like it or not, again, whether you like it or not, kailangan nyo pong gawin ang napakadali, napakasimple, at walang kamatayang budots. Dance challenge. Again, guys, listen. Ang budots, no step required. Kahit anong klaseng sayaw pa yan, okay lang. Ang mahalaga, ma-enjoy nyo yung music. Pero bago kayo sumayaw, may partner, sabay-sabay muna tayong sasayaw ng budots and DJ Music!
Sayaw mga
Alright, let's start with number 1! Lower! Next, number 2! happy birthday song and DJ music.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yupi! Dapat na sa'yo birthday song! Yung mas malakas! Mas malakas pa! One more time! Happy birthday! Yahoo! It's time to blow your candle. Pero bago yan, make a wish. Mag-wish ka muna at sabihan mo kapag ready ka na because at the count of 3, tsaka mo na pwedeng i-blow ang iyong candle. So come on, make a wish. Alright guys, let's count in 3, 2, 1, and blow! Yes! Jemima is officially 18 years old! Thank you so much everyone! Maaari na po kayo
I can hardly believe how quickly the years have flown by. Parang kailan lang naaalala ko, bagong graduate lang ako nung dumating ka sa buhay ko. Blanco talaga yung isip ko, tulala ako dahil sa edad kong 21, parang wala pa akong alam sa pagiging nanay. Pero kinaya ko lahat and I'm proud to say na napalaki ka namin ng maayos. It feels like yesterday, you were learning to walk and now you're stepping confidently into adulthood. Watching you grow into the amazing, kind, and intelligent young woman you are today has been one of the greatest joy in my life. As you turn 18, I know that the world is wide open for you, full of opportunities, adventures, and lessons. Don't be afraid to dream big, make mistakes, and follow your heart. Nandito lang lagi kami to support you, and we're doing our best to provide your daily needs. We'll always be here cheering on you, no matter what, where life takes you. I wish someday matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo. Your success is our success. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting anak. You've made me proud every single day, and I know the best is yet to come. Happy birthday, my love. Welcome to this new exciting chapter. Love, Mommy.
And Daddy, your birthday message po para kay Jemima?
Ang haba ng chat GPT na binasa mo message ko lang, happy birthday, Jemima. Laging pagdasal lahat ng gusto mo na sa buhay, matutupad yan. Yun lang, pakabait ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Ako ng aming invitation, in spite na yung iba po sa inyo na galing pa sa malalayong lugar, talagang hindi kayo nagdalawang isip na paunlakan kami na magbigay ng oras at gumastos pa para sa amin para makiselebrate sa birthday ng aming anak. Your time is the best gift you've given to us. Very much appreciated dahil kahit wala kayong dalang regalo, yung oras nyo po, yun po yung pinakamahalaga para po sa amin. Salamat po at na idiwang po namin ng maayos tong event na ito. At maraming salamat po dun sa mga tumulong po ng pagpe-prepare ng event na ito, kay Miss Jam, lalong-lalo na sa pagpapasensya niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po. At sa mababait po naming suppliers, thank you din po. No words can express how much I'm overwhelmed. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, parents, sa ating debutant na nag-ayos talaga, sumunod sa motive or team ni Jemima. So congratulations! Congratulations! Ikaw ang aming outfit of tonight. Congratulations to Miss Piana Abadil! sakto, uso ngayon ng collecting stickers. Ikaw ang mag-uwi ng isang set ng Nescafe and Angel Coffee Creamer. And Shiloh. Dahil napakalapit ng puso mo sa ating debutant, ikaw ang mag-uwi ng kitchen showcase na pambuo yata ito ng pamilya. Ikaw ang nanalo ng isang set na toyo, suka at patis. May grocery na kayo agad. Jemima, congratulations at treatment package. Pwede ka na magpasalon sa pinakamamahaling salon dito sa Manila dahil ikaw mag-uwi ng isang set ng shampoo at conditioner. Sample daw, Larion. Sample daw. Alright, DJ. Yung bunot natin, DJ. Music! Jumbo hotdog! Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Lower!
Walang mawawala. Nagtsatsaga.
Alright, thank you so much. I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone who has participated and pumunta sa birthday ko today, and especially dun sa Manlalayo na na-late pa. Okay? Okay? Tsaka dun sa mga malalapit na na-late pa, kilala mo kung sino ka, okay? Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank our suppliers, yung nagplano ng event namin. You know who you are. Ayoko na banggit ng isa-isa. And kahit wala na sila dito, I would like to thank my college friends na dumalo pa kahit sobrang layo nila, umuwi na sila eh. So, ayun. And yung family and yung friends ko din, ayan. Ayan sila. Kumabay naman kayo, ano? Hello? Ayun, yung mga nag-effort, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. And lalo na yung mga nagbigay ng gift, gift or no gift, you are all appreciated by me. Thank you.
Salamat din po sa inyong lahat. Dahil kundi po dahil sa inyong lahat, hindi magiging memorable and unforgettable ang kanyang birthday party. So palakpakan niyo po ang isa't isa. And kung gusto niyo rin ma-experience ang very affordable and elegant event like her, visit niyo lamang po ang aming official Facebook page, RMG Catering. And once again, I am your host, Luna Almeida, saying keep safe everyone. God bless and enjoy the rest of the night.